Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are doing another video demoing one of the source connectors called the Internet Message Access Protocol, or IMAP for short. And like before, on the left hand side of my screen you can see my integration hub, and on the right hand side you should be able to see the transactions page. Now let's go back to our data in, and as you can see we have some of our parameters already enabled. And let's go to the source connectors and create our source connector. Let's just give this a name. Let's just call it test connector. Let's make our connector active, and let's set the polling to today and at 12 o'clock and in 5 minutes, not 5, let's do 15. Let's select our module, which would be the IMAP, and like before, the IMAP would use the imap.gmail.com host. The port would be 993. This would be SSL on connect. This settings are similar to the impact orders. The only difference is the impact orders was created for a specific file format. We will be using our Utopia sync demo, and our password would be the same password that we used for the in-app authorization. And the nice thing about the IMAP, you can have another email address in here so that it filters all the mails that come in through the mailbox, and it will only pull the attachments from specific email addresses. And the specify backup folder name, you can create another folder in your Gmail account, so that when an order comes through and it reads the order, once the connector picks up the order, it will then move the order from inbox to read orders. You can create a different label if you want, but that's essentially what the specify backup folder name is for. And let's call it read orders. Let's click save on this connector, and I do know the field of the file coming through will have multiple orders in it, so let's add a batch field and call it item. Now let's just go back to our data in to check that the connector is there and our settings saved correctly. Yep, that does look correct. Now let's send an order through. As you can see, the order has come through to the Gmail address. Now I will just wait for the connector to pick it up, and we will see how the connector deals with that file. Okay, so let's refresh our transactions page. We can see that the connector did pick up the file, and it did have 3 lines in it. That's the first one, that would be the second one, and this would be the third one. Let's just create a transform of that to see the 3 docs in the collection. It's the first one, that is the second one, that is the third one. Now let's go back to our Gmail email address. Let's just refresh this, and as you can see, the connector picked up the email attachment. It was correct. It pulled the order into Utopia and it moved it to the read orders, as that is what we specify the backup folder to be. And that, guys, is how we make use of the IMAP source connector in Utopia.